Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, a little update on my project. I was telling you guys last time about this car here. Didn't know if it was knocking or not. Uh, Let me go ahead and try to do a demo for you guys. This is an '04. No, excuse me, '02 Buick lesabre. Go ahead and crank it up for you. For me too. See if it's knocking today. It was knocking yesterday and then it stopped. Then it started knocking again. So let's see how it does today. All right. Oh, oops. Sorry about that. Here we go, guys. You can hear it. It's knocking. Oh, I think it just locked up. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, okay. So let me get down from here. It's on a car hauling trailer. There's the field next to me. And there's the road. Yeah. All right, back to the car project. So the body's pretty good. Like I said, I bought it mainly for parts, so y'all heard it. It's knocking. I went ahead and took the back bumper off. I ain't never really paid attention to a car that had the back bumper off. That's just a plastic bumper. And look what's left to it. And there was nothing wrong with the back. Just took the bumper off. I'm putting it on my other car, my other Buick. It has the quarter panel squished up. So, and then I took this lens off and put it on my other one. I'll show you guys here in a second. So this is just my parts car. It's sitting on my car hauling trailer. I bought it before the virus. I think about a year after the virus. And I showed you guys that before. That's where my winch is at. I went ahead and notched it all out. Right there. Made the little hole there for the winch cable. Did that all out of just parts hanging around the house. And then, so this is my project. I took that lens off the parts car, put it on this one, and then as you can see, it's all been sanded down, pretty smooth. I'm hoping that the paint I got will actually match and everything will look good. This car has been bumped a few times in the back before I got it. And then somebody came back with a spray can, just mainly just sprayed it. Looked terrible. So then I'm going back to sanding it. I'll show you the paint. This is the paint I got. It says Chrysler, but the paint's called Stone White. And as you can see, yeah, you can see, it matches pretty good. So that's that. And then I got a little clear coat can. So that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the back, and then I'm bring it to the car wash, clean it up, and then I guess I'll wax it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sell it for $3,000. First 3,000 gets it. Y'all can leave me a comment if somebody out there wants it. I live in North Carolina though. I can't drive it nowhere to Florida or something to meet you or nothing like that. But if you're in North Carolina, I can tell you I live in the Sanford area, so I can tell you that. Sanford, North Carolina. About 30 miles from Fort Bragg. So anybody out there interested in it, leave me a comment. I don't have my email posted because I don't want 100,000 emails. I know how people out there can be. All right, so it's going on about 5 minutes. That's about all you guys are going to watch a video for anyway. More than likely 4 or 5 minutes. 3 mainly. First 3 minutes, and everybody starts clicking off. But some people still hang in there. So if you like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That'll help me out a lot. That's my RV back there. And go ahead and share it. Go ahead and share it and subscribe, all that good stuff. You guys know. But if you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment and all that, that'll help my channel. Channel is growing though. It's growing every day, but slowly, real slow but steady. I've only been doing this a couple months, so I think I'm doing pretty good. It's steady getting views, a little bit here and there. I mean, not like the big boys out there, but it's growing. I know they started off small and came on up too. So I really appreciate it. It's nice out here. It's about 70 degrees. It's going to be nice this weekend, and then I think come Monday it's going to be a little bit cooler. All right, folks. That's a little weather update for everybody, like you really needed one. All right. Bye.